Now to weigh someone's options, to pull the trigger, to think carefully about possibilities or choices, or to make a final decision. To make a final decisions and to think carefully about possibilities or choice. I think to pull the trigger and to make a final decision
Yes.
and to weigh options to think carefully about possibilities or choices.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. So if you think of a trigger, right, on a gun, if you pull the trigger,
Yes,
that bullet's gone.
yes,
You can't get it back. You can't say, "Hey,
yes.
it's
This
finished.
is a
It's
final
final."
decision also. Yes,
So that's how easy it is to remember it. If you make a picture in your
yes,
mind of like these
yes,
pictures, so
yes,
that helps just to remember the different ones. Yeah,
yes,
so quite a few of these idioms we still use today. So you will maybe hear them sometimes, but in depending on what country you're in or you are speaking to.